Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of boring backpacks that lack style and functionality? Because I just found the ultimate game changer, the AUROTIER Rolling Tactical Laptop Backpack. This king-size backpack is a top-rated choice among travelers and students alike, and for good reason. It's packed with innovative features that will make your daily commute a breeze. With its built-in LED lights, you'll never have to rummage through a dark bag again, and the sound of the smooth rolling wheels on the floor is music to my ears. The textured fabric is not only durable but also feels great to the touch, and the result is a bag that can withstand even the toughest conditions. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The benefits are endless. For instance, the LED lights provide an added layer of safety when walking at night, and the spacious interior can fit all your essentials, from laptops to clothes. I've used this backpack on long hikes and it's been a lifesaver. The rolling feature saves my back from strain and the tactical design gives me a sense of security. Whether you're a student, traveler, or adventurer, this backpack is a must-have. It's better than others on the market because of its unique combination of style, functionality, and durability. So why settle for an ordinary backpack when you can have an extraordinary one? Get your hands on the AUROTIER Rolling Tactical Laptop Backpack today and experience the difference for yourself. Trust me, you won't regret it. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.